In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper impact absorber on your Kia Sorento. Located behind the front bumper, let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove the wheel. Remove the wheel. We're going to start by removing this top piece right here. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to remove these 4 Phillips screws. Go ahead and take them out. Now we have 4 plastic Phillips clips. We're going to go ahead and take those out too. And now that you have them loose, you're going to go ahead and use a small trim tool and pry them out. Like that. Next up, we're going to be removing this 10mm bolt. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and take it out. And there's going to be another one on this side. Go ahead and do the same. Now we can go ahead and pry on this. Pry up and do the same on this corner and make sure that it's loose. Now we're going to move on to the fender wells to remove those clips. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt. Go ahead and take it out. And using the same screwdriver, we're going to remove these 3 plastic clips. Simply get them loose. And once you have them loose, go ahead and use a pry tool and take them out. And we are going to be doing the same on the other side of the bumper. One thing I want to point out, if your vehicle has a bottom tray, you will go ahead and remove those now. In our case, this one's missing, so we're not going to be doing that. Now that you have all the bolts off, we're going to go ahead and pry on the corners. We're going to be doing the same on the other side. And now that you have both corners popped off, you want to go ahead and grab on the top and unclip it. Once you do that, simply go ahead and slide the whole bumper out. Grabbing on the grill, pull straight out. We're going to go ahead and use a 12mm socket and remove these 4 12mm bolts. We're going to be doing the same on the other side. Now we can go ahead and remove this sensor. Go ahead and pry back on the tab and slide it out. Like so. We're going to be doing the same on this clip right here that holds the wire in place. For this one, we're going to be using a trim tool and we're going to go ahead and pry it out. Now that we have the cable off, we're going to go ahead and unplug it from the sensor. Simply pry on the tab and pull it out. Now we can go ahead and remove this clip. Using the pry tool, we're going to go ahead and pry on it. Take it out. And once you have it out, you're going to go ahead and take the wire out. Being very careful not to break the connector. Just fish it out and move it to the side. We're going to be putting that back on later. And the last thing holding this beam in place is going to be this 10mm nut, which is, there's another one on the other side. So we're going to be taking that out, but being very careful because it will drop. So while you take it out, go ahead and hold it. And we're going to be doing the same on the other side. Now that we have both of those 10mm nuts out, we can go ahead and grab it and pull it straight out. Reinstalling the beam, we're going to go ahead and line it up with the 10mm stud. We're going to go ahead and do the same on the other side. Once that's in place, we're going to go ahead and start the nuts by hand. Now we're going to go ahead and get those snug. Do the same on the other side. Now we're going to go ahead and feed our wire. Being very careful not to damage the connector, go ahead and feed it right in the center, the same way that it came out. Being very careful. Go ahead and slide it in. Clip it in place. Go ahead and do the same on this one. Line it up with the hole and clip it in. We can go ahead and plug in our sensor. And now we can install it the same way that it came out. Now we can go ahead and install the 4 bolts that go on the beam. Go ahead and start them by hand. Now we can go ahead and get them snug. And we're gonna be doing the exact same on the other side. Now we can go ahead and torque these 4 bolts to 25 foot-pounds. We're gonna be doing the exact same on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and install the bumper. Line that up in the middle. You wanna go ahead and slide the latch through the hole. Go ahead and line that up with that. And line that up with the headlight. Now we can go ahead and install the 10mm bolts that go right here. Start it by hand. Now we can go ahead and install this 10mm that goes on the opposite side. Go ahead and get them snug. Now we're ready for the 4 plastic clips that go right here. Slide them in and push them in. Do the same for all 4 of them. Now we're gonna go ahead and line up the headlight and make sure that we clip it on the fender. We're gonna be doing the same on the other side. Now we can go ahead and install the 4 Phillips screw heads that go right here. Go ahead and start them by hand. And now get them snug. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the clips that hold the fender liner to the bumper. Go ahead and line up the holes and install the clips. We're gonna have the 1 Phillips screw that goes right here. Go ahead and start it by hand. And now get it snug. Install the wheel, align the holes. Start your lug nuts by hand. And get them snug. With the vehicle on the ground, we're gonna go ahead and torque our wheel to 79.6 foot-pounds. And for that, we wanna make sure we do a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.